What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Real Car Guy Reviews, where we give real car guys getting real reviews. So today we're gonna let the girlfriend drive the Hellcat, and we're gonna give her the red key. So you guys stay tuned. I don't know how it's gonna end up. I don't know if she could drive or not. We'll find out though. All right. All right, baby, you ready?
He thinks I can't drive.
She might not be able to drive. It's a lot of horsepower.
And?
It's just a lot of horsepower.
And?
I just don't know if you're ready for it.
We'll see.
All right, guys, so you're gonna come with us. This is what we're gonna give her today. The red key here, not the black key. We broke over the 500 miles, so we should be good to go. We should be able to let her open it up. I'm not gonna let her do SRT pages just yet, but we're gonna let her drive for a little bit, so. You excited? And then we're gonna go to lunch and do some other stuff too, all right?
Let's go.
So, we had a little bit of a wild night. The night before, went out, so the Mercedes is here, the truck is down over there, and the Hellcat is right there. Let's see if we can get it. Finally got the windows tinted on it too, so she's too excited. I'm a little nervous. All right, first things first, baby, put your seatbelt on.
Oh my God, I have to make sure I'm, close enough because you're too tall.
Because I'm too tall? Put the seatbelt on.
Oh my God.
All right, hold on, let's make sure.
I'm not 7.
You're not 7? Let's go.
Hold on.
Okay, well, I'm gonna turn my side down because you sit over here and it's hot. How many of you guys have problems with this? Your girlfriend's side is hot, your side is cold.
Always cold.
Always cold.
Always cold.
All right.
Parking brakes on.
Be careful with my baby.
It's our car.
Okay, but it's still my baby though.
Like, what?
Still be careful.
Calm down.
Oh, guys. Oh, Lord.
I'm going 15 miles per hour. Calm down. It's not that big of a deal.
All right, so. Okay. Relax.
I'm going 45.
Relax.
The
just.
speed limit.
I don't know if she knows how to.
Doesn't mean I'm going fast.
I don't know if she knows how to handle all these turns here coming up. We're gonna see. She always gets real close to trees and branches too. But.
Well, I can't because there's trucks in my way. I'm not breaking this windshield.
How's it feel?
Smooth.
Smooth?
It's heavy.
Heavy? Okay. Do you feel like you have good control of it?
Oh, of course.
All right.
Much better than the Camaro, for sure.
Yeah?
I've even used my blinker to make you feel a little
Oh my God.
What? It's okay. I checked for cops.
Oh, you checked for cops already, baby?
I did. Okay.
You got to 95 pretty fast, 100 pretty fast too.
What was it? 102, I think it was?
Oh, 102
It's
already?
okay. We shouldn't document that part.
We shouldn't document that part?
It's okay.
Okay.
We're only going 87 now, so it's fine. I'm just trying to get in front of this Honda.
Oh, okay. That's what we're doing.
You know I don't like CRVs. I hate CRVs. That's why I had to get in front of that person.
Do you feel confident in it?
Oh yeah, it's thick, it's smooth. You can really feel secure with the steering wheel. Because it's a really stiff
Gotcha.
stiff steering wheel. But yeah, this is super easy. I'm at 90 and it feels like we're going 40.
All right, let's see here something.
Oh, see, there's a cop. Scottsdale, right?
Yeah.
202.
Yeah. Hey guys, quick question for you. Or what were you gonna say, babe?
Your plastic, it makes it look so bad.
Hey, how many of you guys still keep your plastic on yours? I keep mine on it. I just like the feeling of the brand new. So you guys see the red keys are engaged, obviously. Now, I've heard some people said 500 miles is when you can break it in, and I've heard some people say 1,500 miles. So I'm not gonna have this go into any other mode yet, just for the fact that I want to kind of see, or maybe we'll hit the sport. Oh,
You messed up.
let's see here. SRT pages. Sport mode. So it just went into sport mode there on us.
See ya.
Yeah. Can you feel it? Does it feel different?
Nope.
Nothing? You feel like it's kind of the same?
Didn't feel any change.
Nothing at all? Paddle shifters are on. Traction control. Steering. Everything's in sport mode. And still kind of feel the same, huh? I don't want to put it in track mode yet because I don't know if you're ready for all that.
What you make it, I feel like I'm amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit that I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. See my face, I was chasing at the paper, been all the for the ways, but everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves, with everything to prove. Now it's going how I see it through my lens, but it's stuck in my head. I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way. I'm trying to feel the again. I've lost somewhere in my head. I've been out here all on my own.
Yeah, one thing I noticed, guys, I put a lot of gas into this damn car, man. A lot of gas. I don't know how you guys are doing it, but more than my diesel. My diesel only gets like twice, maybe a week if we drive it that most. But it's typically like, I would say, $70 or so to fill up the diesel. And this thing's been running about 45, 50 bucks or so, but every like twice a week. So getting on that gas there. So if you buy a Hellcat, man, get ready to go ahead and do the gas. It's a ton of gas, a ton of problems. Other things, guys, we just bought a salon called the Blow Coat. You guys get a chance, you're in Phoenix, Arizona, come on down, take a look, we'll hook you up, tell them you've seen me. Blow Coat, right, do blowouts, Brazilians, everything, so it's pretty exciting. But yeah, man, life of the Hellcat right now has definitely been gas, 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 gas. So you can see it, still going, still counting. I think this time it's probably gonna be like $55, $60, so we'll see.
I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you, afraid no one ever know me. I'm out near the edge, and I can't get inside of my head yet. Think like who I'm becoming, it's all I ever wanted. Never like me when you're sober, only like you when I'm lonely. Got me looking in the mirror for the self-diagnosis. Feel like they villainize me for they ever get to know me. Tell me that you need me, that your action didn't show it. Knowing that you play the angles, and I'm seeing through your motives. But the weight down on my shoulder, found a way to hold it. I can't keep my focus, better keep composure. Hard when I've been coping with all the pressure that I fed. Make it hard to hold my head, make it hard to get to sleep. Like I'm slipping from the edge, struggling to get a breath. Right the wrongs with the lead, life is not a guarantee.
So guys, we're gonna be doing a giveaway for our 2,000 subscribers. So So I think we're right about 1,500 subscribers right now, slowly growing. I appreciate everybody, the support, everything, as far as liking the videos and commenting, and we're getting your feedbacks. Some of you guys are mean, some of you guys are messed up, but it's all right. All love for all you guys. So we are going to do a giveaway once we hit 2,000 subscribers. All you have to do to be involved in the giveaway here is, number one, hit subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Number two, smash that like button, okay? And then number three, all you have to do is put a comment down below this video here. We're gonna take a total of probably 5 winners. We got cash giveaway, got some AirPod Pros, we got some gift cards, got a little bit of gear as far as the Real Car Guy Reviews shirts and some merchandise, things like that. So make sure you guys subscribe, right? Smash the like button. Also on top of that, comment down below. And you know, hopefully we have this done. We're gonna wrap this up before Christmas. We'll be giving away, and then we'll be messaging you guys for some giveaway stuff. And it's the first of many giveaways that are going to be happening, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well too, okay? And support. Don't skip those ads, guys. Don't skip those ads at all, right? Every little bit goes right back into the channel. I promise you we spend way more than what this YouTube will pay us at the end of the day. So also, the other thing is we have a chance to put our name on a C8 order. Now, I can either get a 2020 C8 that a guy is backed out of, that's a convertible, but it's a 1LT, or we can put in our own order and possibly get a chance at one of the first ones to get a Z06. But if we do that, we got to wait a couple months. Obviously the Z06 won't hit till 2022, but we could put our order in early enough and we'll be one of the first productions. Or what they gave us is the actual order for a convertible. We're thinking about the orange color. She likes the orange the most. We would be adding that car. I don't think we're going to get rid of any cars. We'll be adding it to the actual channel. So let us know, guys. Put that down in the comment as well if we should add the Z06. And then we're trying to talk her into getting out of her Mercedes. She loves her Mercedes too much, so I want to put her in an SUV. She don't really want an SUV. I love it. You love it? It's my baby. She's trying to bedazzle it, put some sparkles and stuff like that on it. So that's a little crazy, but we do also, we've done a couple things to the truck, added some light bars, got some print stuff done. I do need a little bit of help from you guys if we should go a 4-inch lift or a 6-inch lift, and what wheels and tires and what offset, because obviously everyone that's typically on this channel loved the Gladiator, especially the look with how well it looked, the stands of it. We need some help with our High Country as well too. So make sure you guys comment down below, continue to watch, continue to support. We got some stuff, like I told you before, once again, we bought a salon, right? It's called the Bloco. So if you guys are in Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, stop by 67th Avenue in Deer Valley, tell them you know us, right? Make sure you get that hooked up discounts, family and friends discounts, okay? The Bloco, Real Car Guy Reviews, guys, we're growing. Stick with us. I'm telling you right now, this was the first dream that happened for us. We're about to make a couple more happen as well. All right, guys, stay tuned. I got a clip, self-prescribed a Dylan mess. Now the way to flee the scene. I've been trying to get a grip onto something out of reach. Life is speeding to a peak, it's how I realize.